Just making an epic smoothie here, and I have a stained cacao carafe, so don't mind that mine's not the most aesthetically pleasing. This is my cacao stained carafe. Now this smoothie has mango, pineapple, moringa powder, ashwagandha. What else did I put in here? Hemp seeds. I was gonna add dates. It's so warm, I've been having to keep dates in my fridge. So I'm just gonna put 3. Actually, let's just do the 4th one. Out of dates now. And it's just the smoothie's final result. It's absolutely delicious. I have my smoothie. It feeds my brain. It makes me feel good. It's giving nutrients to my body. All the goodness that is in a smoothie, that can be in a smoothie. Hydration after your walk, after your exercise, whatever movement practice that you do, it's entirely essential. Rehydrating the body, cleansing energy, healing, vibration. Is cut the romaine so it's small pieces. So what I first do is go through like this, long ways in several strips. And then I just grab the whole head of romaine and I start going through, but in small pieces. This allows for you to be able to thoroughly chew your lettuce when you're eating a salad, which enables for proper digestion. When we swallow our food without chewing it enough, it makes it so our body can't even absorb the nutrients in the food, and we can't digest it. So a lot of people think that they can't eat salads because they don't, either the salad greens are cut too big, and it takes so much to chew it that you end up swallowing it before it's thoroughly chewed, and so it causes you to have indigestion. So what I like to do is cut the lettuce into small pieces so it doesn't cause you to need to chew so much. Putting this in a salad spinner. Now I'm just chopping this whole head just so it's ready to have salad stirring the rest of the week. I'll probably finish it tomorrow. And that makes it easy to just chop it all at once. You spin it through the salad spinner and then store half of it, so the next time you have to make salad, you just have it all ready for you. Okay, so I've spun the lettuce. I'll put a couple big handfuls into my salad bowl. Put that aside. I want just part of a red pepper here. I'll cut that lengthwise like this. It's a bright red, fresh red pepper. And then again, I'm slicing this into small pieces. Add that to my bowl. Here, can you see my bowl here? I have a scallion. So I'll cut the end off the scallion, cut the green parts, put the green part with the white, and just slice it down. Add this, my fresh tomatoes that I got from the market. These are just little cherry tomatoes. But I want to cut them into quarters. So just straight across the top, down the center. Now, if you haven't been eating salads and you've just started eating salads either this season because it's warmer weather out or for whatever reason, you don't want to put too many varieties of vegetables in your salad. This is a jalapeno. I like some spice. If we put too many different kinds of vegetables in our salad before our digestion builds up the capacity to digest the variety of food that we're putting in, it causes us indigestion and lacks our ability to absorb the nutrients. So it's better to just start, if you're just starting to have salads, to just add a couple ingredients and then start building on there. Every week you can start adding another vegetable or even just a tiny amount of each vegetable. Things like broccoli and cauliflower will be harder to digest, but that doesn't mean that you won't eventually be able to eat those things. You just gradually introduce them in. And what it does is strengthens your gut microbiome. And so it's good to have variety in your salad, but you do have to build your stomach and your digestion up to being able to take it. So this is a homemade, oops, it just went over there. I made this homemade cashew cream, but it's also fermented. So it's just full of probiotics, and I'm just adding that on here to my salad. And now I will add some sprouts. Add some more nutrients. Adds protein as well. Now you really just can use whatever you have. I have some black olives here that I will add. I think I want about 7 black olives. And now I have some freshly cooked beans, black beans that I made. And I'll just add about 1/4 cup of the black beans. So this is my taco salad that I'll be eating today for lunch. And one thing too, just add some black pepper. So I'm trying to show you this. A little bit of black pepper. And there you have it, a very quickly, nice, healthy lunch, easy for the digestion as long as you chew your greens up. Make sure that you chew the greens, chew your salad, chew your food so that your stomach can digest and you will not be uncomfortable, because no one likes to be uncomfortable after you eat, especially after eating healthy food, because that just doesn't feel good at all. And the more that we can retrain ourselves to chew our food so our bodies can digest it easily and we can absorb the nutrients that the food's providing us, the better our health will be and the better our digestion will feel, and we'll just overall feel a vast difference in the overall health of our entire being. Remember that when we eat, our food should be our medicine. This is our medicine. Prevent yourself from getting sick by eating food as medicine.